Hi everyone. We're getting to the halfway point here. How are you doing? I posted a mini assessment in the files, and mostly it's for you to use for your own self-evaluation. If you want to fill it out and send it to me, that's fine. If you want to look through the questions, answer them for yourselves. You'll see there are some questions where I'm asking you if there's something else I can do to help you. So if you have something you want to tell me that I can do to help you, that's fine. If you're feeling lost, overwhelmed, that's probably fairly typical at this point in the semester. At least I usually feel lost and overwhelmed. I know it's the time people start looking for extra credit. But really, in this course, there is so much to do for credit. Just do what needs to be done. If you're feeling lost, go to your inner GPS. You know what you need to do in order to be successful. As I said at the very beginning, I think taking an online class requires a special brand of perseverance. And I know you have it. You just have to figure out how you're going to organize yourself and your time and your week to get it done. Most of you are seniors. You're looking forward to graduation. You're going to want to have at least get credit for this course. So make sure that you find out a way to pace yourself so that you can meet the deadline that's ahead. In the mini assessment, I ask a couple of courses specifically about the course tools. I know many of you are used to using Blackboard, but I'm hoping you've been able to adjust to St. John Central and Campus Guides and finding that link. Each time I post something, I try to add more information, mostly to make it easier for you, to make it more available in one place. We're starting Unit 6 now. I notice only one question on the message board from Unit 5. It's making me wonder, although some people have sent me their images, so I'm thinking some of you are behind, and that's fine. There's time to catch up. That was an overwhelming unit, lots of information in it. But things should be a little bit easier going forward. This unit begins with your writing that water reflection. So before you go do any reading, as I say in the pages, go then and write your reflection on water. And when you look in the files and find Unit 6, you'll see I give you a little bit more direction on how to write that paper and specifically. This chapter in particular is near and dear to my heart. The Rite of Christian Initiation of Adults was the topic of both my master's thesis and, in another way, my doctoral dissertation. And this summer I'm going to be going to Paris, just outside Paris, to a conference where I'm going to be reflecting on a generation of experience with the RCIA. So it's a topic that I've thought a lot about since I was a young graduate student myself. And it's another opportunity for you to see what is going on in that church where you're doing your field work with regard to initiation. Now, you don't necessarily have to go back there at this point. Maybe you got the church bulletin and you can find something from the church bulletin. Maybe there's a website. Maybe you see how the church is designed. Is there a baptismal font? Some places it's easy to find this information, and some places it's not. I've been thinking about you doing your field work myself as I go to the parish church here where I live. There's no place outside where it posts what time the masses are being offered. There's a message board on further down on the lawn, but it talks about other things. And even the church at St. John's, it was a long time before I managed to convince the powers that be to post the times of the masses there. So I understand your dilemma in some cases, and that's a good thing to observe. Take note. because you're building a case for the site that you're studying about. And in the end, you'll have something substantive once we get to the end of the unit. There are topics posted on the message board with regard to initiation and your fieldwork, and of course Unit 6 questions, and then a personal experience of initiation if you've had one and you're willing to post it on the message board. That's there too. Have a good week, and email me, call me, let me know if I can help you with anything. Bye.